There are 850,000 kids a year trafficked in the U.S., and statistics say that 80% of those come through the foster care system. Hi, my name is Jared Jones. I'm the Executive Director of Life Ranch. Life Ranch wants to give a practical how to engage this issue that affects us all. I've personally done it through my business, and it's a great way to support the foster care community in our state of Georgia. Life Ranch exists to create communities through family structure to effectively impact the greatest of these in our foster care system. We orchestrate loving, safe, and holistic living that shows foster kids the love of Christ through gospel-centered families and God's natural world. As business owners, we work in supply and demand, revenue sources, IRS, ROI, strategic planning, and the workforce all the time. I want to connect those things to how the foster care tax credit can help us engage this problem that we see. In the state of Georgia, there's a $20 million line item that's directed strictly to foster care. This line item is a tax credit and gives the ability for a business to allocate a percent of their state tax directly to foster care. This is a great avenue for those of us who have a heart for and are looking to impact the foster care world. We're going to take you through a step-by-step process of what that looks like for a business, that we can take charge of part of our state tax and allocate it to where we want so that we are not just giving our money to the IRS. All of us want an avenue to allocate those funds to where we want, and this is a way to do that. The first step is you need to contact your CPA or accountant and figure out your 2022 state tax liability. From there, you're going to go to https://gtc.dor.ga.gov/ and you'll log in. Once you log in, it will bring you to your home page, and you will go to Corporate Income Tax, Manage My Credits. After that, you will go to Request Credit Pre-Approval. You'll select the type that you want, and it is number 151 for Foster Child Organization Credit. You'll enter in the tax year applicable. You'll enter in your information, and it's required that you put in a title. And you'll enter in the calendar end date for that tax year. After that, you will choose whether you're a C Corp or a fiduciary. This is the part that the Georgia Tax Center has not updated their website, but even if you are an S Corp, you can select this. They have not updated it, but if you'll go to the documentation sent in an email to you, if you've requested it from me, it will show you where this is true. I also have a highlighted rule document that shows S Corps fall under this rule. Then you'll go to Next. Here, this is also a place that they have not updated their website where it says 10%. That is actually not correct. As of July 1st, 2023, it is 100% tax liability is available. You'll enter in the amount of the tax liability that you got from your CPA or accountant. And again, that's 100% for 2023. Then you'll enter in the amount of the contribution that you intend to make, which should match the 100% or whatever percent you decide. And then you'll do the name of the foster care child organization. Under the name of the foster child organization, you will go down to the Fostering Success Act, Inc. And that is the organization that we will use as a pass-through. Heidi Carr is the executive director. Then it will ask you for any required documents, which you should not have any, unless your CPA or accountant says you do. Then you'll go to Next. Review all the information, make sure it's the 151 foster child organization credit, the end date, the amount, and the application date, and you'll do an e-signature. And your phone number. And then once you submit it, it is submitted. So if it is approved, you will be required to pay that amount that you submitted in 60 days. Once all these options are correct and selected, a portion of your Georgia state tax liability will go to organizations like Life Ranch to help fight against human trafficking through foster care organization.